anyways, because I didn't really get to do anything, like, it did not save the video, but this is my video. Because, eventually, sadly, I accidentally deleted Roblox. Sorry, I'm just gonna cough. And then we got Roblox back. Which actually did. Then I looked on to see if it's actually did it. Then I went to this thing where you can blah blah, I don't remember. But I don't know anything what I'm saying. I don't care. I'm a girl, but also I'm a very big tomboy. I like being different because I'm always a boy in everything. That's all you need to know. But this is exactly going to be 5 minutes. We've only got through 2. Oh my god. But I am 8.5 so far. I feel horrible today. I've got cold, it feels like, but I don't. But we don't actually know because we don't have my temperature thing. Hopefully it's not stress, so I get very, very bad illness. But I know this isn't stress, right? Because it hurts worse than regular stress, right? So, yeah, I've made 3 videos today. Well, actually, after this video, I'm gonna make a new video. So, hopefully maybe you can see this. Oh my god, I just feel horrible. I have so much tickles in my throat. This is half and boring because it's like a video that I did not make. Where are some more clothes? I don't have any clothes. I don't think I found anymore. I don't like this game, so yeah, I'm probably not gonna play it anymore because exactly every time I press flop and I jump, exactly I got stuck down there. I really don't know what to talk about. Exactly, I'm in my closet right now because, just because it's the only place where I can get some silence. So I just it.